So is there a perfect medium for molded pulp fiber? And could wire mesh or perforated plate be the answer? I'll explain everything, so stick around. I'm Eric Himes, and I'm the sales manager for industrial woven wire here at WS Tyler. Despite the size or shape of any given molded pulp fiber packaging, the production process remains relatively universal, but there's always room to refine your process. And one area is the material your molds are made of, like woven wire mesh or perforated plate. So is one better than the other? WS Tyler has been weaving wire mesh solutions into countless industries for over 150 years and understands how important it is to select the right screening media to produce high quality molded pulp fiber packaging. So in this video, we'll go over the definition of woven wire, the benefits of using woven wire mesh, the definition of perforated plate, the benefits of using perforated plate molds, and what screening media makes more sense for you. Woven wire mesh is a network of metallic wires that are interwoven in the weft and warp direction. A heavily monitored weaving process is used to form weave patterns that feature calculated pore openings that are both precise and rigid. When molding pulp and fiber, a key benefit of using woven wire mesh is its open profile. Since it's constructed from wires with a precise wire diameter, the amount of surface closed off from the surface of the wire is minimized. This means there's improved water drainage, which means minimal energy and time needed during the drying process. Also, basically every parameter like wire diameter, mesh opening can be customized to a very fine specification. In fact, wire mesh pore openings can be as small as 400 mesh, which is 400 openings in a linear inch, which means if you need a smoother finish, those fine mesh counts will get the job done every time. Perforated plate is a piece of sheet metal that undergoes various fabrication methods like perforated press, laser cutting, plasma cutting, and water jet to create openings of uniform size, which, like woven wire mesh, the dimensions and parameters of these openings are pre-calculated for adequate screening performance. When compared to woven wire mesh, perforated plate is known for its durability. As a result, less time and money is spent in replacing broken molds. Another key benefit of using perforated plate is its superior heat conductivity. When molding pulp and fiber, the molds must be heated to help the individual fibers bond to one another, while also beginning the drying process. And because perforated plate has great heat conductivity, it helps guarantee consistent mold quality. As we see green initiatives being implemented across the globe, the demand for molded pulp fiber packaging has never been higher. So molds of all shapes and sizes are being used to meet these demands. Since the screening media must be formed to fit over the molds, it's imperative that you work with material with enough give. While woven wire mesh is typically constructed from stainless steel to provide substantial rigidity, the material is actually known for its flexibility. This means that wire mesh can easily be formed and accommodate even the most detailed molds. Perforated plate, on the other hand, is often too rigid to be formed into more complex molds. Now, keeping up with the demand also means certain organizations will have to dramatically ramp up production. As a result, you'll begin seeing faults from wear and tear developing more frequently. Like I said, because perforated plate is constructed from sheet metal, each perforated plate mold delivers the durability needed to withstand the molded pulp fiber process, much longer than the woven wire mesh, even when the perforated plate is outfitted with a smaller hole. But let's say the final surface finish of your molded pulp fiber is a top priority for your organization. The smaller the openings of the screen media, the more visually appealing the finish. Woven wire mesh can be woven to much finer specifications than perforated plate. So in short, if you're looking to deliver molded pulp fiber packaging with either a complex shape, smooth finish, or both, odds are woven wire mesh will best serve your needs. But if you manage a high capacity operation, you prioritize the durability of your molds, perforated plate may be a better fit. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, fill out the Contact Us form so we can answer your specific questions. Just click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click the second link and you'll be that expert in no time. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things WS Tyler. Once again, my name's Eric Himes, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.